Thinkific is primarily known as a course platform or even a membership platform, but did you know you can also build your website in Thinkific? I'm going to give you a very quick overview of how to do that and also whether or not it's actually a good idea for you and your business. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. When you log into Thinkific, you have your dashboard. You're going to go to channels and then website. And you'll first go to the all page. This will show you all the product pages, but custom pages up here is where we want to go to create our website pages. So think of this as like homepage, about page, FAQ, resources, meet the team, any of those kind of extra website pages that we all have as business owners. So you create new custom page, add the title. I'm going to click on this one because it's already a little bit set up. And this is the website builder. So you click the plus button over here and you can see these are the available modules and blocks that you have to build out your website pages. So if you are used to having something like Squarespace or WordPress or the page builders in WordPress, this might seem a little bit limiting. So you'll want to keep that in mind if you are wanting a really fun out of the box design. So we have a lot of different options here in terms of like text, media, price, logos, like all kinds of things. So let's just do a quick checklist right here. So it adds this section. I'm going to edit the checklist. And then over in the sidebar, this is where all the editing options will appear. So you can change the background and layout. You can obviously change the heading, wording, the checklist items. You can change the icon. And so this is how it works to edit each of the different sections that you add, whether it's a banner, an image, a checklist, anything like that. It all works pretty similarly. So once you have your pages built, to make it actually a website, we want to add a navigation menu across the top, like we typically see on a website. So you're going to click to the header, and then you'll see we have logo, style, button, and then we have blocks. We want to add a link. And so I'm just going to do like about us. We're going to go to another page, and then you can go, find the page that you are looking for. And so you would just add the different links to the different pages you want to have within your website. Now, the other thing that I want to point out is there's not a blog option. So if you are someone who wants to blog, this wouldn't be a great fit. But Thinkific does have a little bit of an SEO feature if you still want to optimize your site, because we can still optimize even if you're not blogging. So you're going to click the gear icon right here and then scroll down to where it says advanced. And then you'll see page title, and you'll see the description says as it appears in search. So even if the page is called about us, we want it to be more SEO friendly. So it might be like about Jessica Freeman, web designer for business owners, or something of that matter. Same with the page description. This is the meta description that is going to appear in those Google search results. It's that little blip of information under each link in Google search results. You can also add a thumbnail image. This isn't for SEO, but when we are sharing links on Facebook, Instagram DMs, you typically see that little preview image that pops up. And so you can, if you want to customize this per page, you can do that. So that's the SEO options. And then that's really it. You set up the pages, you can customize things as you see fit, build it out, have the header, and then do the SEO, and you have a website. Now, the question is this a good idea for you and your business? Now, I don't know your individual business. I don't know who's watching, but I would say unless your brand is literally only this course, you don't want to blog, you just want to have this course and that's kind of it, I don't know that this is the best fit. Now, I do know business owners who have kind of a sub brand within their business. So, for instance, I have the Brandwise podcast. If in the future I wanted to expand Brandwise to a course and membership and digital products and everything, maybe I want to host that within Thinkific, and the Brandwise website, my kind of sub brand, could live in Thinkific. I can have these sub pages and easy access to the courses and membership and whatever else. So that is something to think about. The other thing is it can be very limiting from a design standpoint. We saw the modules. There is the capability to customize with code. So if you are willing to invest in someone who can code inside Thinkific, you could do that and get a very custom designed website if that's something that interests you. But for most people, I'm not going to recommend that your entire website for your business be on Thinkific. So those are my thoughts. If you want to test out Thinkific, there's a link down in the description below. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I will see y'all in the next